The driveline of your 4x4 vehicle couples the transmission to the rear differential. It basically provides power to the rear wheels. The driveline has different parts to it like driveshaft, axles, wheels, differentials, and joints. All these parts and components come together to make the drivetrain. The care and repair are essential for the vehicle, especially for 4x4 ones. The condition of the driveline can become poor with time due to damages, rusting, breakages, or wear and tear of any of the parts of the drivetrain. What does a 4x4 driveline service consist of? The driveline service is important if your vehicle shudders when you step on the gas, or if you hear loud noises, then you may need repair of your vehicle's driveline. There can be various issues with the driveline. The joints need to be checked, or there might be leakages or cracks in the housing. There can be wear and tear also because of the absence of driveline fluid. Now, driveline fluid keeps the components of the driveline lubricated. In the absence of the fluid, the components become moisturized and exposed to heat, which causes damage to them. If you want the driveline of your vehicle inspected, then the Brampton Chrysler will provide you with the best service in the area. Bring your vehicle to us, and our experienced technicians will tend to your vehicle. We will advise you with the best products for your vehicle. For any questions or inquiries, you could visit our website below. Thank you for watching.